Okay, we're looking at Unit 1, Learning Outcome 4.3, a CPD plan, Continuing Professional Development Plan. So this is something you must type in a report. You can use a template similar to here. So it leads off from Unit 1, 4.2, doing research on a career path. So I chose a role in my current skills are the entry requirements for this job role are the things I'll have to get better at are, and for ICT roles, it has been suggested to sign up the Institution of Engineering and Technology. So remember, this is a learning outcome that has a must include. So all this red text must be included in your report that you type up in Microsoft Word for your tutor. And ideally, you might take a screenshot of a job description in order to show a bit more better proof that you've actually done this research.
Thank you for watching. This now completes Unit 1. We'll be moving on to Unit 2, Network Infrastructure and Cloud Services. You'll need to have Cisco Packet Tracer installed. See you soon.